quick tutorial on how to make this citations tool work. So I'm going to cite, let's say, this website. Okay, so I'm going to take the URL. Let's go back here. So you go into Tools, into Citations. There you go. Add a source. Make sure it's MLA. And then you pick which one. I'm picking website, of course. None of these have to be put in here. You can just put in whatever you have. So let's see. I'm gonna fill these out really quick. I'll be right back. All right, so I have all of the things that I could filled out now. So you add citation source. It's right here. So you could put it, like, say you have some writing here and you want to cite it in the middle of the text. You can do that. Insert. It gives you the title in parentheses. You can do the same thing for a book. So let's say you're in here. You just add another citation source. Select a book and then print. Unless you're doing it online, then you wouldn't do print. Then you fill out these things like the title, the author. Yeah, I'm gonna fill that out really quick. Just push add citation source, and you get two of these sources right here, and then you can insert bibliography, and it gives you both of those down here.